Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel Plant Layout 360. Today we are going to discuss about our very useful topic like how to model slope lines. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to create pipeline. So we have to change piping task. Slope line is very important in piping modeling because a normal line we will we can model normally, but slope line we need some percentage we need to give. So please learn from this video. First step, I will create a new pipeline. I already created areas as the name slope piping for your easy reference. So what I have to do first, I will create one pipeline. The name should be anything, any name you have to given. I will put uh, slope pipe. The number I will put 0001. Okay, so this is the fluid requirement. For example, slope we will put any oil. Fluid type also any oil like hydraulic anything. This I will put normal oil. Okay, so select OK. So now the pipeline is created as a name slope pipe. Now what we have to do, go to piping future. Click root pipe option. So what you have to do, just click anywhere. For example, I click here. So it will ask that pipe run properties. Here you have to select the pipe what we have created before, slope pipe. From here we have to select the slope pipe option. Click OK. Name we should be give any oil hyphen 0001. Spec should be anything. Okay, I will use same spec 1C0031. The size of the pipe I will put here 30 inch because the size during modeling it will show the big size. Okay, here I will give the slope. This is the slope option. For example, in P and ID, if they given 1 is to 200, this is for example only I'm saying. In P and ID they will give 1 is to 200 or 1 is to 500. Anything they will give. Here I will use as example 1 is to 200. For example, in P&AD, if you see 1 is to 200 means how to calculate the slope. 1 is to 200 means 1 divided by 200. The value is 0.005. After that, what we have to do into 1000. So it's showing 5. One more time I'm saying, for example, the slope is 1 is to 200 means 1 divided by 200 into 1000. So the value came 5. So how much slope we have to maintain means 5 mm per 1 meter. 1 meter pipe, the pipe should be 5 mm slope. This is the concept. Okay, so here what we have to give, minimum slope 5 millimeter slash 1 meter. Give tab button. So here it automatically taken 5 millimeter per 1 meter. The meaning is 1 meter pipe, the pipe should be 5 meter down. Okay, so here you have to click OK. It will take some time. Here what showing, high point run slopes down and the low point run slopes ups. So we need the pipe should be 5 mm downside. So we have to click high point run slopes down, then click OK option. Then click OK this one. Here also you have to click OK option. So we given 5 mm slash 1 meter. So after that what we have to do, here I think size is not available, so I will put 20 inches. Same dialog box it asking. Sometimes what happen, some spec the some large size is not available, so we changed now 20 inches. See now the pipe piece came with slope. So what we have to do, just click the pipe. Okay, always on this option for your reference. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add component. I will add a component elbow. Okay, so for the main thing is the slopes always should be on horizontal piping only. For vertical pipe, slope does not need. So that time what we have to do. So now we are going to model vertical pipe. Okay, here there is option, right? So lock angle. Just lock this one and then route the pipe. Now here there is no slope for vertical. Only horizontal we need slope line. Okay. Again we have to route horizontal lines. Here I will show you 90-degree elbow modeled. Okay, so elbow modeled. So for now we are going to model horizontal line. Here we need a slope. Okay, so what we have to do, just on this one, change into 5 mm slash 1 meter. Again you have to start the root pipe. See, I will model the horizontal line. So now this horizontal line maintaining slope. If you want to check means you have to check by using measure option. I will show you. Just click measure here. See, you have to select the center point of the pipe. Then this center point of the pipe. See the difference. The elevation showing 217. 217. It is not a straight line. It is slope line. That's why it's showing 217 elevation. Okay. Even I will show you in vertical line also, because here we didn't use any slope. Go to measure option. Just select the center point. Even select the center point. See the east value and elevation value, it's showing 0. It means this is not maintaining any slope percentage. Even we check this pipe also. This is the first pipe we modeled. Go to measure, click this one, click the same center point. See the elevation 170. So here also there is no, when we already maintained slope. If you want to check the pipe is whether slope or non-slope means, what you have to do, from here select pipe run, click the pipe, Go to properties. Here showing 5 mm slash 1 meter. So this pipe is maintained slope for 1 meter 5 mm slope. Okay. Now the second thing, how to move any components without change the slope. Okay, I will show you. For example, here I will add one elbow, because normal line we have to easily move the component. This is slope, right? So if you want to move any component, the main thing is the slope percentage won't be changed. So what you have to do, click this option, first one, click this one, set as a 0. Okay, and then you will see here, right, point along. Click the point along option. Reference option you have to click. So this pipe is a reference, and then select this one. Okay, and then select the elbow, which one you want to move, select one. After that, here it's showing move from, move to. Okay, so now we will move towards west. So click this one. See, now the elbow is moving. Wherever you want to move, you will move. I will move around 10,000 distance. So I will here give 1000, and then click means the elbow moved to 10,000 mm towards west side. Now you will check the slope percentage. Here go to pipe run, select the pipe, go to properties means the same slope we will see 5 mm slash 1 meter. So this is the method. You have to model the slope line, and then if you want to move any component, you have to use that point along method. Even you can add any valves, flanges in between the slope lines. Just go to component, click anywhere what you want to add. I will add breakup flanges here. Click finish. See, now we add breakup flange on the slope line. For example, if you want to clearly know the slope line means, check the any other views. See, the pipe is not in the same elevation. It has some slope. See, see the line is not in the proper straight line. It have 5 mm slash 1 meter slope. Okay, so this is the method how to model slope line, and then how to add the component on the slope line, and how to move the component on the slope line without changing the slope reference. Uh, Today topic is over. If you have any doubts, please put on comments. I will reply. Thank you all.